I moved here when I was 2, 1958. My dad was the first radiologist at Sunrise Hospital in Las Vegas, and Las Vegas was a small town back then. I was programmed from the moment I was born to be a physician. So when I was born, they picked a name, and they said, well, how does Dr. David Steinberg sound? Good. So that was my name, Dr. David Steinberg. I was really raised from the moment I was born to be a doctor, and I never thought for a second that I wouldn't be a doctor. So I never had fantasies of doing anything else. There was a field called interventional radiology, which at that point radiologists were doing things with needles and catheters and balloons that seemed like surgery, but not with the same requirements of working in the hospital every other night on call and some of the patient care responsibilities. And so I decided to become a radiologist, and particularly to become an interventional radiologist. My dad had the idea of opening up an outpatient diagnostic center next to Sunrise Hospital, and it turned out that that's actually where my pediatrician used to be when I was a little kid. We ended up buying that land next to Sunrise Hospital and building a large outpatient center there, and that's where I practiced for many years, starting in 1988. We have a great staff. We have 25 great doctors. Their last names aren't Steinberg. They're Wynn and Kawaguchi and Momi and Marriage and Kirlock. There are a million different great names. They're not Steinberg, but those are the people that really make this organization great. That's really what Steinberg Diagnostic is. It's my last name, but it's not all their last names. But those are really the people that make this organization so special.